Welcome back to session 20 of GED Geometry Review. When two straight lines cross, the four angles they make follow two reliable rules. Learn them, and you can fill in every angle from just one. Here are the two rules. Vertical angles, the ones directly across from each other, are always equal. A linear pair, two angles side by side on a straight line, always adds to 180 degrees. Let's see it. Two lines cross, and one angle is 70 degrees. The angle directly across is also 70, because vertical angles are equal. Each neighboring angle is 180 minus 70, which is 110. So, the vertical angle rule alone answers many questions. If one angle is 120 degrees, the angle directly across from it is also 120. Directly across means equal. There is a special case. If the two lines are perpendicular, one angle is 90 degrees. Then its vertical angle is 90, and both neighbors are 180 minus 90, also 90. All four angles are 90. The common mistake is assuming all four angles are equal. That only happens when the lines are perpendicular. Normally, you have two equal pairs, and neighbors are supplementary, not equal. Quick check. Two lines cross, and one angle is 120 degrees. What is its vertical angle? Vertical angles are equal, so it is also 120 degrees. To recap, when two lines cross, vertical angles are equal, and a linear pair adds to 180. From one angle, you can find all four. All four are equal only when the lines are perpendicular. Great work reaching session 20. Practice a crossing or two, and I'll see you in the next session.